Hi, I'm Bertrand the Tech Man, coming back at you with another video. In this video, we're going to review the Watotgafer Bluetooth sleep headphones. So let's check it out.
Get strong.
So, what's in the box? Okay, inside the box it comes in a nice velvet-like case. You have the manual, the mask, and the USB charging cable. So what are some of the features? Well, first of all, you have a 3D eye match. Second is Bluetooth 5.0. It has ultra thin speakers on the inside. It has noise reduction cancellation, 2.5 hour charge time, and 9 hours play time. Okay, so what about the build quality? Well, first of all, we could say that it is a very simple but elegant design. It's made out of soft velvet-like material with a nice memory foam on the inside, and it has like a memory foam around the nose to more likely to give you a more comfortable fit, and also I would assume that would block out some daylight. It has Velcro straps, are nice and seem to be pretty firm and sturdy. The sewing on it seems to be of nice quality. It's made out of breathable cloth. Okay, so now let's pair it up to the phone. So to pair it up, basically what you want to do is you want to hold this down until it starts to flash. And it's flashing. So we go to the phone, see all, pair a new device. It's searching for it now. The one that you want is the BTFAAH. There we go. Boom, shakalaka. Okay, pair. So now it is paired. So those are the controls. So very simple. Your controls, you have your minus, you have your play, and your plus. If you want to increase the volume, you press and hold this for 3 seconds. You want to decrease the volume, you press and hold this for 3 seconds. If you have an incoming call, you simply press the play, and it will automatically connect. You get ready to end the call. You press the play, hold it for 3 seconds, and then that will end the call, and it'll go back to the headphones. So let's talk about this for a few minutes here. First of all, the Bluetooth on it is nice. It uses the Bluetooth 5.0 format, so the connection is stable. I haven't found any problems with that. The sound quality is okay. Remember, this basically is what you want to use to go to sleep. So the only thing you want to focus on is whether or not it's clear. It doesn't necessarily have to be that loud, but this can be loud enough. So the sound quality and the Bluetooth connectivity is good on it. It's very comfortable on the face. When you wear it, it will block out 100% of the sunlight or daylight if you put it on properly. So, my final thoughts. I love the build quality with the foam and the eye socket. I think it's a nice touch. The Velcro, the adjustable strap, makes it easy for any size head. It lasts around 8.5 hours, and I think that's a go as well. What I really wanted was something to block out the sunlight or the daylight and let me listen to the rain as I go to sleep. And I find that this works quite well for that. In fact, it does it perfectly. So this is a nice little product. I would certainly recommend it. I think it is good for night workers or anyone who wants to sleep during the day. I got mine on Amazon for $22. I will put it in the link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please subscribe, hit the like button, ring the bell to be the first one to see my next video. Share and comment. Tell me this. What do you use to help you sleep? Thanks for watching. I'm Bertrand the Tech Man. Remember, before you buy anything, always first check it out.
Get strong.